Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable JavaScript in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to disable JavaScript in Google Chrome, it's very easy. First, open Chrome browser. After click on three dots. Click on Settings. After click on Security and Privacy. And click on Set Settings. Scroll down. Here option JavaScript. Click on this drop box. So guys, if you want to disable, so click on don't allow site to use JavaScript. Check this box. Here some option not allow to use JavaScript. So if you want to not allow any site, so add. After click on add. If you want to allow to use JavaScript, so click on add. Select here website. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to disable JavaScript in Google Chrome tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video helpful or not. Thank you for watching.